modern home design stands amongst the trees in harmony with the surrounding landscape. Introduction. Welcome to a unique fusion of architecture and nature. In this video, we explore an innovative modern home design that beautifully stands amongst the trees, perfectly blending with its natural surroundings. The architecture of this home integrates seamlessly into the landscape, creating a harmonious balance between contemporary living and nature. This design not only enhances the home's functionality but also elevates its aesthetic appeal, offering an inspiring look at how modern architecture can coexist with the environment. If you're looking for fresh ideas to bring your own home closer to nature or seeking inspiration for incorporating greenery into your living space, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Let's dive into the details of this amazing design. A foundation built on harmony with nature. At the core of this modern home design is a strong emphasis on creating a foundation that aligns with the natural terrain. Instead of leveling the land, the house's structure follows the contours of the existing landscape, allowing the trees and natural features to remain untouched. The foundation itself is minimalistic, using concrete slabs and sustainable materials that do not disrupt the land's ecosystem. This careful planning ensures that the house doesn't overshadow the beauty of the surrounding landscape, but instead complements it. The foundation serves as the first step toward a deep blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. One of the standout features of this modern home is its seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Expansive floor-to-ceiling windows not only invite abundant natural light into the interiors but also offer unobstructed views of the lush greenery surrounding the property. This design element creates a feeling of openness and fluidity, where the boundaries between the home's interior and the great outdoors become virtually non-existent. From the living room to the kitchen, every space feels like an extension of the landscape, providing a natural materials for a timeless aesthetic. The use of natural materials in this home design further strengthens the connection between the structure and its environment. Wood, stone, and glass are the primary elements used throughout the home. The wooden beams, stone cladding, and large glass windows create a warm, inviting atmosphere that blends with the natural surroundings. The timber used in the home's exterior and interior is sourced from sustainable forests, ensuring that the home not only looks beautiful but also supports eco-friendly practices. The stone walls, while adding a modern and rustic touch, a sustainable design focused on eco-friendly living. Sustainability is at the forefront of this home design. The house incorporates numerous eco-friendly features, from solar panels on the roof to rainwater harvesting systems that help reduce the home's environmental footprint. The integration of passive design principles, such as optimal window placement to maximize natural light and ventilation, helps maintain a comfortable indoor climate throughout the year. Moreover, the house is built with energy-efficient appliances and fixtures, further supporting a sustainable lifestyle. These features make the home not only beautiful, landscaping that enhances the home's natural setting. The landscaping surrounding this home plays a crucial role in maintaining its harmonious connection with the natural environment. The garden is designed with native plants that thrive in the local climate, reducing the need for excessive irrigation and upkeep. Pathways made from natural stone wind through the garden, providing a sense of discovery and allowing residents to explore the property's various outdoor areas. The landscaping works hand in hand with the architecture, guiding the eye toward the forested areas and ensuring that the trees remain a prominent feature of the landscape. This design maximizing views from every angle. The design of this modern home ensures that the views of the surrounding landscape are maximized from every angle. Whether it's the expansive cityscape in the distance or the lush forest just outside the door, the house is positioned in such a way that residents can appreciate the beauty of nature from every room. Strategically placed windows, open decks, and terraces make it easy to enjoy the changing seasons and the ever-changing landscape. Whether it's watching the leaves turn in the fall or gazing out at the snow-covered trees in winter, this home makes the most of its location, offering residents a front-row seat to the natural world. The central role of light in modern design. Natural light is an essential element in this modern home design. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of the interior spaces, but it also helps to create a sense of openness and serenity. Large windows and skylights ensure that the home is flooded with light, bringing the outdoors inside. The careful placement of windows allows light to filter into the home throughout the day, creating a constantly changing play of light and shadow. This use of light creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere, reducing the need for artificial privacy and seclusion in a natural setting. Despite its open design and integration with nature, the home is also designed to offer privacy and seclusion. The strategic placement of trees, shrubs, and landscaping elements ensures that the home remains shielded from the outside world, allowing for peaceful moments of solitude. The layout of the property is designed so that private spaces, like bedrooms and bathrooms, are situated away from the more public areas of the home. This thoughtful design ensures that while the home feels open and connected to its surroundings, it still offers the necessary Conclusion: a modern home that celebrates nature and sustainability. In conclusion, this modern home design that stands amongst the trees in harmony with the surrounding landscape offers a perfect blend of contemporary architecture and natural beauty. With its thoughtful use of sustainable materials, eco-friendly features, and seamless integration with nature, it serves as an inspiring example of how modern homes can be both functional and environmentally responsible. If you found this tour inspiring and would like more content about home design that connects with nature, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.